In this video, I'll show you how to remove a password from a PDF in Adobe Reader. To remove a password, you need the Pro version of Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you've set a password for your PDF, you likely already have the Pro version since password protection isn't available in the free version. First, open your document in Adobe Reader. Right-click on the file, hover over Open With, and select Adobe Acrobat. You'll be prompted to enter the password. After entering the password, click on the All Tools option located at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and find the Protect a File option, then click on it. From here, you'll see an option labeled Remove Security. Click on it and a confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the security from the document. Confirm by clicking OK. The password will then be removed from the file. Before closing the document, make sure to save the changes. To do this, click on the menu at the top left corner of the screen and select Save. After saving, close the file. Now, when you try to open the document again, you will notice that you're no longer prompted to enter a password. The document is now unlocked, and that's how you can remove a password from a PDF in Adobe Reader.